first ever in the world Turbo S Badlands Fairlead. All right, folks, we are back. And we have some winch work that we need to do on this Turbo S today. So for some crazy reason, Polaris made a massive mistake in not prepping the front of the Polaris RZR XP Turbo S and Turbo S4 for a Fairlead, a Hawsey Fairlead winch to be installed into the unit. So basically what we're gonna do is, I got a hold of my buddy Matt. We're gonna go and grab an 1/8 inch piece of steel from a local welding shop. We're going to measure that thing, cut it, and we're going to weld it onto the front end of the RZR so that way we can install a Fairlead on that, because I'm switching from a wire rope to a synthetic rope, and our winch is inside of that thing. So let's just go ahead and get that done today, and I think that'll be good. So here we go.
Oh, that'll be good.
That's perfect, huh?
That'll be good.
And then here, what's that look like?
It'll be in there like that somehow.
Do we have to pull it down? The Fairlead a little bit? Well, I guess we'll figure that out once we get it, like,
I think it'll be above
welded in.
a little bit, but
That's fine too. All right. How you want to do that part? Well, let's see what we got. That looks pretty legit.
So
What do you
if
think?
take this, I mean, that's a minimum right there. If you take it up here and wrap it around, I think we'll be all right.
If you want to, you mean curve it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Instead of being boxed like that.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. It's going to be covered up anyways, but.
Let's do it. Well,
It's rough.
yeah, we're gonna clean that all up. That's easy. We'll Dremel that out.
Yep.
Yeah, that works.
Get it in there.
Well, this is the plate that Matt just cut out, and we're cleaning this up so that way it doesn't have any burrs and things like that for when we mount the Fairlead. In addition to this chassis part of the RZR, this hole needs to be expanded so that when we put the new plate on, we don't have any burrs or anything catching the synthetic rope. All right, status update. We welded the plate on, degreased it, washed it out with some Dawn soap, and we dried it off. And now it's time to tape all this stuff off so that way I can paint it. So that way when we put the Fairlead on and all that stuff, it's gonna look pretty. I think it's gonna come out really good. Pretty excited about it. All right, folks, it has been 2 days since we have started working on this Fairlead plate, and I have to admit it turned out gorgeous. We've put 2 coats of primer on it, in addition to about I think I put 5 coats of black satin paint. And this is actually the plate right here. It came out very nice, super strong. So all we have to do now is mount our new Fairlead on here, and this part will be done. All right, boys, well, she's all fixed up and finished finally. That was like a long process. We had to get a lot of things to get this right, but I'm glad we did it the right way because it looks great. A little overkill, yeah, but I guess when you're recovering folks or recovering yourself, you really can't be too sure. But that'll do it. The next thing we're probably looking at doing right now is determining whether or not we're gonna put that plate over here, and then I think what we're gonna do is weld another plate on top of here, so that way we can put a recovery latch or something on there to make that a little bit better than that little hook that goes in there. I don't think that's really sufficient. Let me see if I have that actually over here. Yep, there it is. There is the little hook that goes on there. So this goes right here. I don't know. I just don't think that this is gonna do it. It's not gonna cut it, especially if I'm pulling sideways for some reason. But I don't know. You tell me. Leave a comment. And thanks a lot for hanging out. And I guess we'll check you guys next time.